True or false? Wiping the mattress with a strong disinfectant is effective. False. Although common practice, wiping the mattress with a disinfectant is inadequate. The FDA expects mattress manufacturers to provide effective reprocessing instructions. Validated instructions include steps for cleaning, maintaining dwell time, and sometimes rinsing and/or drying. Anything less does not provide adequate disinfection. A one-step disinfectant wipe is not effective. The 6-step manufacturer's instructions are the only effective reprocessing instructions provided by the FDA. This includes cleaning, disinfecting, dwell time, and rinsing and drying required by some manufacturers. Thus, debunking the myth that wiping mattresses with a strong disinfectant is effective.